Five little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only four little ducks came back. Five little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck calls, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," "Come on home now, all come back." Four little ducks with feet so small, splash in the stream, they bump and fall. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks in the morning sun, chasing a bug, they laugh and run. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks in the soft green grass, waddle in line and slowly pass. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only one little duck came back. One little duck by the big blue tree looks all